What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are unboxing a package from Enail Couture. This is the clear bubblegum gel, and I've been excited to open it because this container is the same size as the one I already have, but I ordered a bigger one. So I don't know if they are the same size of container, they just fill it up more or what. But hold on, you guys. Let's see. Okay. This you can get on your hands and it's forgiving, so that's the good thing about it that I really love. And so I don't know. I guess it's the same size. It's just that it's filled with more. This is the other one that I have, the pink one. They look the same size. So, but anyways, so I got some of this, which I'm really excited about. You guys are gonna see me using this a lot. The clear one is gonna be a little more versatile than the pink one, for obvious reasons. Alright, you guys, so that was that. We also have the 5XL square. I already have the 5XL stiletto, so I wanted to get the 5XL square. And I'm excited about these. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Sorry, you guys. I'm like all out of focus. But yeah, very good. I like them. They're not too dramatic and not too long. I definitely want to get the longest, like not the newest longest ones, but I think it's the 10XL. Let's see what these ones are. The XXL pipe. Oh yeah, I'm really excited about these ones. Let's see. Because they are such a pretty shape. I think Femi did a nail set with these tips before and they came out to be super nice. Okay, I see you, boo. I see you. They're super, like, I would just use these as regular tips. I wouldn't really do Femi beauty method or anything with these. And I like that. I really like these a lot. These are very, very elegante. These are super nice. I'm definitely going to be using these. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we got. By the way, guys, this is not a product review or anything like that. This isn't sponsored. I've purchased all of this. But I'm still just as excited as if it was free because it's Enail. These ones are the tapered Coffin. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Okay, perfection. Yeah, I like these a lot. I like them a lot. The Coffin is a bit narrow for me, but I mean, it's like wide and then it gets super narrow. So, I don't know. I'm on the fence with these ones, but the other two I really love. These ones I like. I just like them. But there are so many different options on the website. I definitely had to go onto YouTube and try to get some information. So, that's my Enail haul. And I'm going to be putting these tips to use. You guys will see soon. So, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.